Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cal Worthington and his dog Spot. If you need a new one, go see Cal. Here we are out here on our way to Bend, Oregon. And we're out here with the finest of the finest. Here you see John Saucedo out here observing some incredible trucks out here for sale. Look at here. Johnny just may buy this one. We got some wonderful cars out here at Cal Worthington Dodge. Ford, Chevrolet, Buick. Look at there. All these beautiful vehicles for sale. This beautiful, nice wagon here. Yes, sirree. Right out here at Cal Worthington Dodge. Ford and Chevrolet. Yes, sirree. Here's one for Uncle Kevy. Look at all these. We got acres and acres. Nice. Here's a Kevy special. And another Kevy special. I think they got all Kevin's cars out here. There's one of Val's back there. Chevrolet. Pickup truck. Here's another beautiful one. Four-wheel drive. Man. Boy, they just got cars galore. Trucks and rigs, and look at this, an old Packard here. Wow. Nice old Ford back there. Johnny and Landy out here checking out this Ford. Johnny, are you going to buy yourself a truck?
This one's a 67 custom cab like mine.
Are you going to buy it?
I would like to, but I don't know how much it is. None of them are priced.